Tired of manually paying your Amex bill? Let's ditch the paperwork and late fees, because today I'll show you how to pay your American Express credit card bill using BDO online banking in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the BDO online banking website or open your BDO mobile banking app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your information. Once you're logged in, look for the Pay Bills or Bills Payment option on the dashboard. It's usually located in the menu or on the main page. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to select American Express as the biller. Use the drop-down menu or search bar to find American Express. If this is your first time paying Amex through BDO online, you might need to enroll American Express as a biller first. If you need to enroll, click on the Enroll Biller option. You'll typically need to enter your 15-digit American Express card number and a nickname for the biller. Choose a nickname that's easy for you to remember. After selecting or enrolling American Express, enter the amount you want to pay. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy. You can also schedule the payment for a future date if you prefer. Review all the details carefully, including the biller, amount, and payment date. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the Confirm or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message with a reference number. Take a screenshot or write down the reference number for your records, and that's it. You've successfully paid your American Express credit card bill using BDO online banking. Paying your Amex bill has never been easier. Keep an eye out for more helpful tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.